Yo, yo, yo. It's your boy, Skeezy. Richbirdsloft. Signing on. As y'all know, I got 4 birds. These are birds that I bred. I know y'all recognize this guy. If y'all watch the channel, you recognize him. Excuse me. Got these 2. Got my girl up there. And I just put these in here. A couple breeding boxes. I just put them in there today. So we gonna see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna keep y'all posted for sure. You know that. Richbirdsloft. Look at her. Look at her. She like, what? What's going on? I'm gonna show y'all in another video. This tippler right here, this is a tippler. And she got 2 different color eyes. She got one red and one white. One like a nickel color. I'm gonna show it to y'all in another video. So make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment for sure. Let me know what you ever thought about birds. This what we're gonna start with, and I'm gonna take y'all with this ride with me, and we finna breed us a whole team. Look at him. That's my boy right there. That's my guy. My guy. Look at this motherfucker. Hey, this is my wife bird right here. Look, this red motherfucker right here. Look. This nigga crazy. Look. Hey, he a male. And I can't figure out why he won't stop chasing this male. Like, yo, that shit is crazy, yo. Like, this my boy right here. This my wife boy. Look. This big red motherfucker. And man, look, he will not leave that nigga alone. He been chasing his ass for, man, he been chasing him for months. I'm talking about he been chasing him a long time. And that's his girl right there. Those 2 right there, that's a pair. But man, he been chasing the nigga. He been chasing him around. This is my boy right here. I got him from Gary, Baltimore. You figure it out. Damn, yo, and look. Look. That, hey, that's her father. This is her. This is her right here. And this is him. That's her father. This right here, this is her father. And that's her. Now these 2 down here, this is a different story. But this red motherfucker, which is my wife's bird, that, hey, he chases my boy like a motherfucker. Not, nigga, I don't know what the fuck is going on. That's supposed to be his girl right there. Anyway, so I did a little remodeling today. We're gonna see what's popping. I ain't gonna hold y'all up too long. I already had y'all a nice little while. Put the bath in there. Ain't nobody got it in yet, but that's cool. Alright, I'll make another video, man. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, whatever you gotta do.